Learning to paint more loosely, no matter what medium you use, can be a real shift if you're used to precision and detail. It's about focusing on the essence of your subject rather than exactness through visual suggestion. Loose painting requires more skill and it relies on intuition. If you find these videos helpful, please like and comment. I really do appreciate your feedback. Now let's talk about some strategies to loosen up. Number 1, change your mindset. Looseness is about suggestion, not accuracy. Aim to communicate a feeling or an expression instead of replicating details. My second suggestion is use bigger brushes. You recently saw a painting I did with only one large brush. Larger brushes prevent you from focusing on smaller details. Set yourself a challenge. Paint one painting with one large brush. Number 3, try some time-limited studies. You can try a 10, 20, or 30-minute painting. Working quickly forces you to prioritize what's essential in your painting. So for this quick little painting, I'm using Cad Orange, Cad Red Medium, and Cad Yellow Light, and I'm going to accomplish this in under 5 minutes. Okay. Do thumbnail value sketches before jumping into a full painting. Here's some photos of some thumbnails that I've recently done. Limit these thumbnail sketches to 3 to 5 minutes apiece. Another strategy is limit your palette. Do different versions of just one red, one blue, one yellow, and white. And that really keeps it simple. This also helps you focus on value and composition instead of being distracted by color choices. Number 5, paint standing up. Painting at an easel standing encourages more expressive physical strokes. Use your whole arm, not just your wrist. It naturally leads to looser mark. Number 6, step back frequently. Every few minutes, take 3 steps back. It helps you to judge the overall composition and keeps you from overworking areas. Number 7, try warm-up paintings. This is a real fun way to approach your painting. Before starting a real painting, do a quick, messy version first. You can do this on paper so you're not wasting a panel. And this can free you from the pressure. We all want to make something wonderful the very first time we paint it. It doesn't always work out, and this helps you to put less stress on yourself. Paint the same subject 2 to 3 times, each time going faster and looser. Number 8, use some other way of painting. Try a palette knife, try rags, you can even try your fingers. I know one painter who only paints with her fingers, but I suggest you wear gloves. It's hard to clean up, and there may be some risks associated with cadmium paints. Switch to a textured or a toned canvas. A mid-value background on your panel or canvas can make you bolder with light and dark shapes. Number 9, squint and simplify. Squinting reduces detail and helps you to see shapes, values, and color relationships. Think in terms of shapes and edges, not objects. Study some loose painters like John Singer Sargent or Joaquin Sorolla. John Singer Sargent had confident brushwork and suggestion over detail. Joaquin Sorolla was more impressionistic with bright, fluid strokes. Some contemporary artists nowadays who excel at looseness are Carol Marine, Julian Merrow Smith, or Collie Wisson. I took a class from Collie Wisson one time. Here's a link to an article I wrote about that painting class. Try copying some of their paintings. Not that you're going to show it to anyone or share it with anyone, but in an attempt to learn their techniques. In conclusion, loosen up and have some fun. Stop overworking your paintings. Let fearless painting be your mantra. Let it be messy. Happy painting!